Good morning, students. So today I am going to solve some important problems from R.D. Sharma book based on linear equations with one variable. It is linear equation in one variable in chapter 2 in your reader book. But in R.D. Sharma book it is ninth lesson. Okay. So these are both link in R.D. Sharma book. Many problems given, many examples, many problems given to based on the linear equation with one variable. So I have selected some problems and I am going to solve in this video. Okay, if you could understand, if you can understand the problems what I solved in the video, then I hope you can solve all the problems in ninth lesson, ninth chapter given in R.D. Sharma book. So first problem is exercise 9.1, question number 11. Okay, 9.1, question number 11. 2 by 3 multiply x minus 5 is in bracket minus 1 by 4 and multiply by x minus 2 equal to 9 by 2. So I solved in many problems in my previous videos. So in such type of problems you will find the LCM of all denominators. 3, 4, 2. So 3, 4, 2, when you find out LCM, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 6, 2 is 12. So LCM equal to 12. So why do we find LCM 12? Because we have to multiply both sides. It is LHS side, you know, it is RHS side. So both LHS side and RHS side we multiply by 12. Then there will be no complication. Means here fractions given, so we just first make it simplify. Simple. That means I said multiply by the LCM in both sides. So 12 multiply 2 by 3. As usual you write what questions given, just you multiply both sides. You have to multiply both LHS and then RHS. So 12 into 2 by 3, same, you can write the question, minus 1 by 4 x minus 2. I am drawing this. Okay, equal to 12 into 9 by 2. Okay, same question, 2 by 3 x minus 5 minus 1 by 4 x minus 2. Okay, then you multiply, you open the bracket, 12 into 2 by 3 x minus 5 minus 12 into 1 by 4 x minus 2. This part you multiply by 12, this part also you multiply 12. Here 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 12, 6 9 ja 54. Okay, here what 3 1 ja 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8 x minus 5. What? Then here 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 12, 3 into x minus 2 equal to 54. Here I cut, simplify 3 3 4 ja 4 2 ja 8 into x minus 5. Then here 3 into x minus 2 equal 54 as usual. Now multiply 8x minus 8 5 ja 40. 3x ये minus minus plus 3 2 ja 6 equal to 54. Now 8x minus 3x how much? 5x minus 40 plus 6 minus 34 equal to 54. Okay. What? Then 5x equal to 54 plus 34. Okay, you add this, then it is 5x equal to 88. Okay, then x equal to 88 by 5. Okay, understood? You just make all the numbers one side, variables another side. So 8x minus 3x 5x, this one 34, then this is answer. Now 9.2 exercise question number 4. Okay. So x minus 2x plus 2 minus 16x by 3 plus 5, 3 minus 3, 7 by 2 x. So it is LHS side. RHS side we just interchange the numbers. We take all the numbers from the RHS side and all the variables numbers left at LH side. So x minus 2x minus 16x by 3 we just keep one side. Okay, x minus 2x minus 16x by 3. Here minus 7 by x means when it is come LH side plus 7 by 2x equal to as usual 3. Then here 2 plus 5 how much? 7 minus 7. Okay, x minus 2x plus 2x तो plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 ये 3 minus 7. Okay, then here what? 3 2. Always try to cut the denominator. That means we multiply the LCM of denominator. So 3 2 is 6. You multiply here. X minus 2x minus 16x by 3 plus 7 by 2x multiply by 6 and right hand side also 3 minus 7 how much? Minus 4 into 6. Both sides. Here we multiply 6. Here also we multiply 6. Then their value will be no change. Then you again open the bracket. So 6 into x 6x minus 6 to the 12x. Then here 16 minus 6 into 16x by 3 plus 6 into 7 by 2x equal to minus 24. Minus 24. Minus 4 into 6, 24. Now here cut 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, then 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 6. Okay. So 6x minus 12x, here we write as usual. Then minus 32x, how? 16 2 ja, 32x. Then here plus 7 3 ja, 21x equal to minus 24. Okay. Now 6x plus 21x. Okay. Here how much? 6x minus 12x minus 6x minus 32x plus 21x. Okay. Equal to minus 24. Here how much? Minus 6x minus 32x minus 38x plus 21x equal to minus 24. Minus 38x plus 21x. How much? Minus 17x. Okay. Equal to minus 24. Equal to x equal to minus 24 by minus 17. It is 24 by 17. Answer. Now 9.2 is 15 number question. 9x plus 7 by 2 minus x minus 2 by 7 equal to 36. So same thing. So here 2 7. We multiply the LCM 2 7 14 both side. 14 into 9x plus 7 by 2 minus 14 into x minus 2 by 7 equal to 36 into 14. Okay. So here 2 into 2 7 ja 14. Here 7. Then 7 into 9x plus 7. Here we can't cut because here minus. So minus 14x minus plus 14 into x minus 2 by 7. Okay. equal to 36 minus 14 is 504. Then 63x you multiply plus 7 7 is 49 minus 14x. Then here 7 1 is 7 2 is plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, equal to 504. Here 63x plus 49 minus 14x, you multiply this again, open 2x minus 2 2 is 4 equal to 504. 63x plus 2x, how much? 65x minus 14x. 49 minus 4 plus 45 equal to 504. Okay, 65x minus 14x, how much? 51x equal to 504. You take that side minus 45. Okay, that is 51x equal to 459. 504 minus 45, 459. X equal to 459 by 51. It is 9. Now 9.3, 18 number, and in 9.3 all problems are based on cross multiplication. I said cross multiplication what? Suppose a by b equal to c by d, then you multiply numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. That is AD equal to BC. Okay, this formula we use here, cross multiplication, because in LHS side also fraction, RHS side also fraction. So you just first we open 2x minus 7 minus 5x means 2x minus 7 minus 1 plus 5x by 9x minus 3 plus minus 4x minus minus, okay, equal to 7 by 6. Okay, now 2x plus 5x, 7x minus 7 by, here was 9x minus 4x, how much? 5x minus 3 equal to 7 by 6. Now cross multiply 6 into 7x minus 7, 7 into 5x minus 3. 6 7 is 42x minus 6 7 is 42. Then 7 5 is 35x minus 7 3 is 21. Okay. Then you just interchange 42x minus 35x equal to minus 21 plus 42. Okay. Here 42 minus 35x, how much? 7x equal to 21. Minus 21 plus 42, 21. So x equal to 21 by 7. That is answer. 7 3 is 21. So if it is given such type of problem, you just cross multiply numerator to denominator, then denominator to numerator. So now question number 21. X plus 2 multiply 2x minus 3 minus 2x square plus 6 by x by 5 equal to 2. Here also we use cross multiplication. Here 2 means 2 by 1. Okay. Now you just simplify the numerator. You multiply x into 2x, that is 2x square, x minus 3 minus 3x plus 2 2 is 4x minus 2 3 is 6 minus 2x square plus 6 by x minus 5 equal to 2 by 1. Here minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 2x square cut plus 6 minus 6 cut. Okay, so here minus 3x plus 4x what x by x minus 5 equal to 2 by 1 plus multiply x equal to 2 into x minus 5. Okay, so x equal to 2x minus 10. Then x minus 2x, then you bring this side equal to minus 10. The x plus x minus 2x, that is minus x equal to minus 10. So x equal to plus 10. So now question number 24. Here same solution cross multiplication, but here given find a positive value for x. Find the value of x. Nothing to be worry here. So here also same cross multiplication. So here 9. So 9 multiplication x square minus 9 equal to minus 5 multiplication 5 plus x square. Okay. So 9x square minus 9 9 ja 81 equal to 5 5 ja 25 minus 5 x square. Okay, so bring this side 9x square plus 5x square equal to minus 25 plus 81. Here this side will come. Okay, so here how much 14x square equal to minus 25 plus 81 equal to 56. Okay, 81 minus 25 56. For now x square equal to 56 by 14, it is 4. Okay, now it is x square equal to 4. So how can you find x equal to root over 4? What is root over? You find square. Square means suppose you find LCM of 2 2 ja 4. Here 2 na 2 into 2 root over 4. Root over 4 means from 2 you take 1. Okay, so here answer is 2. Suppose 16 root over means how can you find out 16? You just LCM 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You take 2 from one number. So here 2 means 1 2 multiply here 2 means 2, it is 4. That means 4 into 4 is 16. So same thing here x square. So x equal to root over 4. It is square. Then here answer is 2. So I have selected some important problems and solved here. And by following this method you can solve all the problems from 9.1, 9.2, 9.3. It will, I hope it will be easy for you to solve the problems. So this is all about for today's. Thank you. Have a nice day.